Welcome back to the Veteran Awareness Project workshop recap. Today, we just basically went over a couple of things. We went mostly over VA forms. So if you haven't realized, on my community page, if you check it out, I'm posting daily questions Monday through Friday that basically is just asking veterans questions, whether it's for benefits, forms, uh, pension, any kind of questions that's related to benefits, entitlements, or exemptions. I'm asking that there to gauge the knowledge of veterans and the different things that they may know, what is strong suited for more veterans, or what something they need to be more informed on. So a bunch of the questions I had asked were pertaining to VA forms. What specific VA forms give you this requirement, or what form do you use to file this document, or what form is it to use it for a personal statement, or is it for the post-traumatic stress disorder service connection form, or is it DBQs, where a lot of these are made public now and you can use them and have your private doctor fill them out, as compared to it being used primarily before by the VA. We went over all these questions. This iteration went kind of longer, but we had a bunch of questions and we had different iterations where we also touched on the benefits travel self-service system, which basically is a travel reimbursement for veterans when they go on trips via VA appointments or non-VA community appointments, which you can get reimbursed for travel to and from the said location. Also, you can include meals or even hotel stays if it's an extended stay or if it's a long travel location. Because keep in mind, the VA is trying to give you a CMP exam or an appointment closer to you. But if there is nothing available, they are going to try to send you to whatever is closest. Sometimes that may be an hour or two away, but that's the only available resource that they have that's under contract through the VA. So keep that in mind, that it's not that the VA is trying to send you to a far location. It's like, hey, this is the only available location we have that's under contract to fulfill the needs of a CMP exam or an examination or specific specialty doctor. So that's what we went over on this recap and this workshop this week, being 17 November of 2024. Any other questions? Like I said, if you have any other questions, we hit a bunch of other topics, but the main topic was VA forms and informing veterans where to find them, how to use them, and what's beneficial with VA forms when you know what you're looking for, and how to optimize a DBQ in order to help file your claim and add additional claims where you didn't realize or think of to use when those claims are part of your primary claim. Not using it as a secondary, but still as a primary, that your medical professional can actually attribute other things that you may not have thought of, or your doctor may not have realized, but having that DBQ that gives you those answers to questions that you may possibly have gives it an easy formulation for you to use and build on your disability claim. So once again, I'm just Cruz, Veteran Prod, can't even say it, Veteran Awareness Project. I'm just here to help guide you to get your benefits that you've earned. That's all we're doing on this channel. If you like the information, like the tutorials, like the workshops, please make sure to subscribe, like the channel. And if you ever have any questions or any topics that you would like further elaboration on that we can go over on the workshops, make sure to leave them in the comments below, so that way I can do some research prior to and be able to give you a proper answer when it comes to the next workshop. Appreciate you tuning in. Just Cruz, signing out. Peace.